Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a protein and calcium rich gluten free roti, especially for those on a gluten free lifestyle. This roti is rich in protein, calcium, and fiber, a completely wheat free roti which you can include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/3 cup yellow moong dal. Add in some water and let it soak for about 20 minutes. Moong dal is rich in protein, fiber, and is low in fat. Once the dal is soaked well, wash and rinse it a couple of times and then transfer to a pan. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, a fat pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body. Add in half cup of water. Give this a mix and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest, cover and let it cook on low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once done and the dal is nicely cooked, turn off the heat. I'm mashing the dal with a spoon, and since it is hot, it's easy to mash it in the pan itself. The reason why I'm using a cast iron pan is that cast iron pan helps in better iron absorption. Add in 2 tablespoons water into the pan and mix well to remove the residue dal. I'm keeping this aside as I'll be using it when I'm kneading the dough. Add in 1 cup amaranth flour, also known as rajgira or ramdana. Amaranth is naturally gluten free and it's a seed grain. It's a good source of protein, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Studies have shown that amaranth can lower cholesterol, and it's a complete protein containing all the 9 essential amino acids. The high fiber in amaranth helps improve digestion. It has anti inflammatory properties. It's a good source of iron, hence, ideal to include in your diet if you have iron deficiency anemia. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, also known as dried fenugreek leaves. I am crushing the kasuri methi with my fingers and adding so that the flavors are released. Now with a spoon, I am quickly mixing this up. Into this, I am chopping in 3 sprigs of coriander leaves, 3 sprigs of curry leaves which I have gathered together and I'm chopping in. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate. Hence, I always try to add some curry leaves in my recipes. But this is entirely optional. If you don't have fresh curry leaves, you can totally omit it. 1 green chili finely chopped, 1/4 inch of ginger finely chopped. Add in 2 teaspoons desi ghee. Desi ghee helps to assimilate fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E, and D, and it also helps to bring down the glycemic index of the grain. I have already shared many videos on the health benefits of desi ghee. Please do watch them to understand more about the health benefits of using desi ghee in your diet. Mix it really well, and then I'm kneading it with the residue water which I have kept aside. You may need roughly about 1/4 cup extra water to knead it into a soft dough. I'm using 2 butter paper to help roll out the roti. Divide the dough into 5 equal portions. Place 1 portion of the dough on the butter paper. Sprinkle amaranth flour and coat it with the flour. Place another butter paper over it and roll into rotis. Remove the butter paper and level the sides of the roti with your hand. Since amaranth flour does not have any gluten, it's slightly difficult to roll it out, and that is the reason why I'm using a butter paper. Place the rolled out roti on the hot tawa and remove the butter paper and let it cook on low flame. Drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee and let it cook that side well. And once that side is cooked, carefully flip it over and allow that side to cook it as well. drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee, and once done, remove and serve. I'm serving one amaranth dal roti with chopped cucumber and some shallots. Shallots, also known as cherry ulli in Malayalam, is a good source of antioxidants, iron, and folate. I'm also serving some homemade amla pickle for some extra gut friendly healthy probiotics. Did you know that homemade pickle made in the traditional way is a good source of probiotics? That is, pickles made without synthetic vinegar. And guys, one dal roti is ideal for a meal. Remember that the desi ghee in the roti will also help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Eat mindfully and enjoy your meals. Chew slowly and avoid using gadgets while having your meals. Remember, mindful eating is the key to a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. So, guys, do try this healthy, gluten free, and nutrient dense dal roti and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.